Beaches and Cream with the family. All right, we are with the crew. Yay! Sophia. Whoa, it's a little loud in here. Jono. Tiffany. Allie. And she's holding baby Ruthie. And Corey. So we're excited to be with the fam. We're gonna eat at Beaches and Cream and enjoy our evening together.
Alright, so everyone just got their food. I got the Reuben with tater tots. A lot of burgers, so Caitlin got a burger with onion rings. Everyone else got burgers. So, I'm gonna enjoy. Ruth got milk.
Got the kitchen sink, a whole can of whipped cream.
It is actually like a whole can of whipped cream.
Oh my god, there's brownies, cupcakes.
Ice cream is under here.
Don't worry about it, just get in there.
I got vanilla.
This is so much ice cream. Oh my god.
Nope, she got me. I don't like this.
It'll be alright.
Wait, what's this? Like a sugar candy?
We've got our candy right here. I think it is.
A sugar candy.
Right here.
You like those?
That's sour.
Try it. Oh my goodness gracious. Hi. I wonder if you can even tell on the camera how much it's actually raining right now. It's pouring. Good thing we're covered right here. And there's lightning. This is what you call summer in Florida. Don't you guys agree? What? I just said this is what you call summer in Florida. Yeah. It will rain. But how was the kitchen sink?
It's good. Very full.
Do you think we would call it a success?
Yeah.
Or did we fail?
We didn't finish it.
No.
I would fail.
90%. 90%.
If we had Luke,
Yeah, we probably could have done it.
we might have done it.
I probably would have tried a little less than
Ruth, you needed to pick up some slack. Oh boy, okay. I am a mess. The lighting is not the greatest in here either, but we just got back from Epcot. So on the vlog, we met the family, we went to Beaches and Cream for dinner, and then complete downpour. And then that is when we lost the vlog and it was just too rainy, but we decided to wander over to Epcot to see if we could find like a little pocket, and the rest of the night was great, beautiful. So we popped over there. I didn't take the camera, and we did Frozen and we did the 3 Caballeros, and Ruth did great. But now we're back in our room, getting ready for bed, and I'm just gonna do a really quick room tour of our room here at Yacht Club and then call it a night. This is a resort view standard room. We have our like little, not a kitchenette, it's just like beverage cooler, Keurig, we have our like a ton of snacks, the things that we brought. I will say, like, this is a beverage cooler. So for some of our things, we did add ice. I did call to see if we could request like a separate freezer or like an actual mini fridge, and they said no. You can leave things at the bell service desk. They have a fridge and freezer, but we just wanted to have things in here, so we did get some ice. So that worked. Privacy door on the bathroom. And then we have 2 sinks. And, whoop, let's see it, light. There is the shower. So we did request a tub. We didn't get one. That's okay. There's very few, I think, that even have a tub, so it's mostly shower. But we'll make it work. And then closet space. And we actually like unpacked. So we really are utilizing like the shelves and the space. We did get a king bed. She's eaten. So we got a king bed and we unpacked in our drawers. We've got extra pillow and blankets. And we unpacked because we're gonna be here for 5 nights. So we just wanted to like try to be as organized as possible. A nice little desk area. We've got her main stroller, and we brought the travel stroller just in case, depending on what we're doing. Like if we are taking a bus to Magic Kingdom, we're probably gonna take this because it's easier to fold up. And we live in Florida, so it was easy for us to like bring stuff like this in the car. Seating area. And then we actually brought our own travel crib. So Disney has a travel or a pack and play or a crib that you can have, which we used last time at the Polynesian, which was great. But again, since we live in Florida, we just threw this in the car. It's very lightweight and compact, and we just didn't want to have to like wait to get one. Last time when we were at the Polynesian, it just took a while for them to bring one up. So we just brought our own, but the one that they have is totally fine. Like,
Pretty similar.
Yeah. Pretty similar. Under the bed storage. Actually, there's a lot of storage, which is nice. I would say like the one downfall would probably be the beverage cooler, which it's still doable. And then the tub, no tub, but again, that's doable too. And we knew that coming into it, so we kind of prepared for it either way. We are on the 4th floor. I might have pointed this out in our other Yacht Club room tour vlog, if anyone's ever seen that, because last time we stayed here. But in the curtains, they have the different constellations of the characters, which is super cute. There's Ariel, Mickey. I like that little touch. Last time we stayed at the Yacht Club, we had a corner room, which was huge. But I still absolutely love the Yacht Club. And then our balcony is actually really big. And we have a good view. So we booked a resort view. It's like twilight right now, so it's kind of hard to see a little bit. But we do have pool view and Crescent Lake. You can see the lighthouse over there. So we will definitely be able to see the fireworks. So we're excited. So after we put Ruth down, we will come back and see if we can see any fireworks. Boy, okay. It's been kind of a crazy day.
Yes, it has. We're tired.
This vlog is all over the place.
Yeah.
The rain kind of threw us off. we've just been trying to get like settled in and organized, but we're here for 5 nights, so we just needed to kind of get settled.
Yeah, settle in and we'll enjoy it.
So stay tuned for more fun, more videos, because this is gonna be a really fun trip. It's Father's Day. We have, well, we're hoping to get on Tiana's Bayou adventure.
Yep.
We actually have something really fun in store that we're excited for, so stay tuned. And then our family's here, so it's exciting. And we love the Yacht Club. Love staying here. So stay tuned for more, but thanks for hanging in there if you did watch this vlog, because it's a little crazy. So, all right.
Good night.
Good night.